Does it have any bearing on longer term timescales? 62. Yeah, it takes you back to the high from 2010 basically for 2011. All right, so here's the trade on tech. Uh, Tech, is it a silver play? I don't know. Um, it's in resources. I think it's more of a copper play, Jay. Um, okay, so here's the trade for tech. Buy tech on a close above 48.65 with a stop loss on a close below 44.75. Target to reduce 62. Do I use boxing analogies to trading? Time to punch, time to block duck. No, Mo, I've used like war analogies, right? Like the market's a battlefield, like you have to consolidate your wins, like stuff like that. Boxing, I guess you could. Basically, same principle. I mean,